You hear the words all the time, especially here on the news or social media. Someone has been arrested and they've been released on bond. Or maybe you've heard the term cash bond and wondered, well, isn't that the same thing? What does it mean for someone in jail? Are they the same thing? We verify. When someone is arrested, they're taken to jail to wait for a judge to set their bond. If you don't know what a bond is, it's a financial guarantee that the person will return to court, not a fine or a punishment. So, are all bonds the same? Let's verify. Our sources are thelegalguide.org, Cornell Law School Legal Information Institute, and the American Bar Association. Here's what we found. If a judge sets a standard bond, for example, $10,000, you usually have options. You can pay the full amount in cash directly to the court, or you can put up property as collateral. Another option is to use a bail bondsman to post bail for you. And if you show up to all your court dates, any cash or collateral you or a bondsman posts is generally returned minus any fees. But what is a bail bondsman? A bail bondsman is a licensed agent who agrees to post the full bond amount on your behalf. This is known as a surety bond. Instead of paying the entire amount to the court, you pay the bondsman a non-refundable fee, typically about 10 to 15% of the total bond. The bondsman then guarantees the full amount to the court, and the defendant is released. But if that person doesn't show up to court, the bondsman can seek to recover the full amount and may use collateral or other legal means to do so. Now, what's the difference between a cash bond and a cash-only bond? While they may sound the same, there is a key difference. A cash bond means the full amount must be paid in cash directly to the court, and sometimes through a bondsman if approved. A cash-only bond means no bondsman is allowed, and the full amount must be paid directly to the court to secure release. Judges typically order cash-only bonds in cases involving high flight risk or serious charges. In cases where someone cannot afford to pay their bond, they remain in jail until their next court date or unless a judge reduces the bond to an amount they can afford. So we can verify that no, not all bonds are the same. Cash bonds and cash-only bonds are not the same thing. In fact, this distinction could be the difference between a night in jail or a month. If you have something you want us to verify, text us at 256-382-2692.